Okay, number 1, if you need help, you can look it up in a dictionary or your notebook. You are going to look up similar shapes or similar rectangles, maybe similar figures. Number 2 says which situation is best represented by the following equation. First, you need to find the ones that have 45 being multiplied. So, multiplication words: each, per, every, times. And then you need to find, actually, once you find that, you'll have your answer. The 125 is positive, so make sure that's a positive, not a negative. Number 3 is the similar figures. Maybe this will help you answer number 1. This side corresponds to this side. This side corresponds to this side. This side corresponds to this side. And this side corresponds to this side. So, if I'm looking JK is purple, I'm going to make all the JKs purple. JK is the same as KJ. QN is purple, so I'm going to make all the QNs purple. See, then we have pink is for KL. And pink is for NO. Then I have this yucky kind of dark red color for OP or PO. It's the same. And for LM or ML. Then the last color I have is this orange for JM and for PQ. So, now that everything's color-coded, I'm going to cross off anything where the colors don't match. See how this red and pink don't match? Get rid of it. So A's gone. I have orange, orange, pink, purple, gone. Red, red, pink, pink. That still looks pretty good. D says purple, purple, pink, red. That's not right. So C is your answer. Alright, number 4 says calculate the volume of the triangular prism. You need 2 formulas, triangle and prism. Now careful, the base on this has to be a triangle. They give you an extra number here, don't let them trick you. Number 5, keyword is scale. You're going to set up a proportion. Use your labels. Number 6 is again similar figures. You're going to need to color code the 2 triangles. Once you get that done, you can set up your proportion. Now number 7, it says x is -6. I suggest putting the -6 in for the x. So you have -5 minus 3x is greater than 10. So first of all, I would say boom, boom, and then I would replace x with -6. -3 times -6 is +18. Is -5, what's -5 plus 18? 13. Is 13 greater than 10? Maybe. You're going to do the same thing for B. -3 minus 5x is less than -14. You're going to boom, boom. Now you have -3 plus -5. X is -6 is greater than -14. Multiply first. That's +30. Is -3 plus 30 less than -14? Maybe. Go down and check it on every single one. Number 8, we did this problem yesterday. So if you go back and look at yesterday's video or yesterday's notes, it might help you. Your keyword is going to be circle and border. Number 9 says a butterfly can fly 30 miles in 1 hour. You are looking for 30 miles and 1 hour. Now it says that x has to be hours. So that's your, if x is hours, you're looking for the 1 on the x-axis that matches the 30 on the y. Number 10 is another scale problem. We actually did this one yesterday. Number 11, keyword is area. Do not use the wrong formula. This 21 feet only goes to the center. So is that the radius or the diameter? Number 13, my suggestion is to make your own table. And I would use the numbers they use. They use 0, 5, 10, and 15. Make your own table. And then find the one that matches. You don't even have to go the whole table. You just have to go until you've crossed out 3 of the answer choices. So I'm going to start with, you don't have, you can start with 10. I would start with 10 just because I like that to multiply. So you're going to say 0.5, x is going to be 10 plus 14. When I get that done, that number, it'll be 2 lines, but that number is what goes here. And then I'm going to cross off any table that doesn't match mine, and then pick the next easiest number. Alright, we're going to highlight our y-intercept. This is the y, this is the x. Where the line crosses the y is your y-intercept. Any number or any equation that doesn't have +3 in it is wrong. And then there's a couple ways you can do it. You can make the triangle. You can pick a number. If I pick this spot right here, this spot is 1, 6. So if I put 1 in for x, my answer has to be 6. If it comes out to anything else, it's not right. Richard sells apple and raspberry pies. He sells apple pies for $5.50 each. Sounds like a multiplier to me. And raspberry pies for $4.75 each. Laura is buying 3 apple pies and X raspberry pies. Which equation can be used to find Y, the total price Laura must pay in dollars? So it's $5.50 times apple, and she has how many apples? 3. And it's $4.75 times raspberry, and how many raspberries does she have? X. So you need to find where $4.75 is being multiplied by X and $5.50 has been multiplied by 3. (17) says if the value of n equals -8, which equation is true? I suggest substituting -8 for n. So this is going to be 6 times -8. Multiply first. Is -48 minus 4 equal to 10? If it is, that's your answer. If it's not, you've got to do the next one.